Compact, Toyota RAV4. While the 2022 Toyota RAV4 isn't the most entertaining compact SUV from a driver's standpoint, its practicality and efficiency bolster its value and make it worthy of an Editor's Choice Award. The entry-level model is affordable but very basic, but mid-range trims offer plenty of features that buyers in this segment will appreciate. A 2.5-liter four-cylinder is standard, as is an 8-speed automatic and front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is available, but you won't see even the most rugged model in the RAV4 lineup sidling up to a 4Runner or a Tacoma at the trailhead. Toyota bundles a host of standard driver assistance features into the RAV4, including adaptive cruise control. Upscale trims come with luxury features such as full leather upholstery, heated seats, and a JBL stereo system. Those who want even more efficiency can go with a RAV4 Hybrid. Compact, Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Toyota hybrids have come a long way since the original Prius, and that growth is most apparent in the 2022 RAV4 Hybrid and RAV4 Prime plug-in hybrid compact SUVs. These electrified utes deliver the same practicality and roominess of a standard RAV4 but add one of two available fuel-sipping powertrains. Both are quicker than the non-hybrid RAV4, especially the Prime, which even beat the four-cylinder variant of Toyota's Supra sports car in our 5 to 60 mph rolling start acceleration test. The RAV4's uninvolving handling is outdone by rivals such as hybrid versions of the Honda CR-V and the Hyundai Tucson, and its high starting price of around $30,000 doesn't include much more than basic features. Still, the RAV4 Hybrid is a well-rounded package with plenty of value, so we put it on our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Compact Luxury, Porsche Macan. The 2022 Porsche Macan can dice it up with sports sedans on a racetrack and carry a reasonable cart full of groceries home from Costco. Offering a trio of turbocharged engines, the lineup culminates in the performance-oriented GTS model with a 434-horsepower twin-turbo V6. But no matter which engine you choose, the Macan's chassis is an athletic partner that goads you to hit apex after apex. All models come with all-wheel drive as standard, and those who want to enhance the crossover's handling can do so via several options, including summer tires, an adaptive suspension, a torque-vectoring differential, and tungsten carbide-coated rotors. Yes, it's an SUV, but it's also very much a Porsche. It fulfills its mission beautifully and earned an Editor's Choice Award for 2022. Compact Luxury, Mercedes-AMG GLC Class. It may share a platform with the Benz-branded model, but the 2022 Mercedes-AMG GLC Class is a beast in its own right, with a trio of powerful engine choices. The entry-level GLC 43 comes with a 385-horsepower twin-turbo V6, but those who want even more power can opt for the GLC 63 or GLC 63S, both of which are powered by a twin-turbo V8 with either 469 or 503 horsepower. To match its blistering acceleration performance, the GLC class delivers sharp handling, but the compromise is a ride that's nowhere near as smooth as the regular GLC 300 offers. But the cabin is just as refined, and a host of modern infotainment and comfort features will make luxury buyers feel right at home. The GLC class has impressed us so much that we gave it an Editor's Choice Award for 2022. Compact Luxury, Genesis GV70. Based on the excellent G70 sports sedan, the 2022 Genesis GV70 compact luxury SUV provides similar driving enjoyment with a higher seating position and extra cargo room. Engine choices will include a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder or a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6. All-wheel drive is standard, and all GV70 models come with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It employs the usual Genesis model of pumping even base models full of luxury features, making the GV70 a value player in the crowded compact luxury SUV market and earning it an Editor's Choice Award. Save for a few ergonomic critiques, we found the GV70's cabin to be comfortable and well-made, although rear seat passengers may wish you'd sprung for the larger and more spacious GV80 SUV.